Access switch via browser using default IP 192.168.1.254. In the Getting Started tab, under Quick Access, click Upgrade Device Software. Click Backup Current Firmware and then Apply. Now starting download current firmware. It's take 3 to 5 minutes. Downloaded current firmware. Now update firmware. Selected downloaded new firmware from Cisco site. Now browse this file. After loaded firmware file need to apply for save. Take to 5 to 10 minutes to uploaded file. Switch version 4.1.3 version to update 4.1.6 version. After successfully uploaded file then pop-up reboot for active new version. During reboot command process it's take 5 minutes. Switch back when getting ping from switch, then we log in into switch using IP. If pop-up new password set, then set new password. Now checking the firmware version using Getting Started tab, under Quick Access, click Upgrade Device Software. Thanks for watching this video.